Hey there, it's GFXES here. I am a creative director, an illustrator, and a motion designer. Welcome to my studio. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through my artistic career and share how Wacom has played a pivotal role in unleashing my creativity. So, grab your favorite art supplies and let's dive in. Ever since I can remember, art has been my passion. I used to draw everywhere, from school registers to random surfaces. It was my way of expressing myself, my escape to the world of colors and imagination. But it wasn't until I discovered Wacom that my art truly took flight. The Wacom pen tablet revolutionized my creative process. It was like magic, bringing together the best of both digital and traditional art. And then a game-changing moment happened when I upgraded to the Wacom Cintiq 16. Drawing directly on the screen without any parallax felt surreal. It was like painting on a physical canvas, but with the power of technology at my fingertips. And do you know, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 16 got the touch-enabled screen, so you can even zoom in with your two fingers and draw with the pen at the same time. How incredible is that? Embracing the digital art world, I ventured into NFTs. My unique style and the precision of my Wacom tool became the key to winning contests and being part of the NFT revolution. This piece of mine was the first to win. I used to record all my time lapses and post them along with the entry that I submit, so people were more mesmerized than how things were made. As a creative director, I got the chance to be part of a groundbreaking music video of Hadi Sandhu's Psycho, which was shot entirely on virtual production. And let me tell you, my Wacom Cintiq was a superpower throughout the process. It turned my ideas into reality pixel by pixel, from making the previews for the whole video under the supervision of India's finest director. And let me tell you, this is the first music video in India to be shot on virtual production. So here we are today, my fellow artists, celebrating a decade of creativity and remarkable journey that Wacom has been a part of. From sketches on registers to winning NFT contests and pioneering virtual production, my Wacom tools have been there through it all.